The following short video provides a brief overview of Verifone's VX520, a reliable, high-performance countertop terminal that's built to last. The VX520 handles encryption and processing at lightning speeds thanks to a powerful processor. Let's take a look at how this compact, ergonomically designed terminal speeds transactions time and time again. A quick-release transparent paper door makes quick work of swapping paper rolls. A familiar ATM-style design and high-contrast backlit display offer ease of use. The blue backlit keypad is designed to withstand over 1 million key presses. The VX520 secures every transaction, touting an impressive list of security certifications and boasting Class A certifications from an ever-growing list of leading processors. This future-proof countertop terminal is EMV ready. The secure smart card reader offers 5 times the life expectancy of friction readers. Contactless is built right in to support alternative payments on smartphones, mobile wallets, and contactless cards. Flip it over and you'll find a compact communication port area that neatly connects cables to keep countertops free of clutter. Dial and Ethernet connectivity mean that transactions can take place just about anywhere. And that's a quick overview of Verifone's VX520. It's the easy-to-use countertop terminal that delivers next-generation processing power and unparalleled features on Verifone's proven VX platform. The VX520 is ready for the fast pace of the future. Are you?